Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today is another advent calendar opening and it is December 8th today. And we are gonna open number 8 and see what's in it. As excited as always. It's always so exciting. Okay, so let's get this one up and see what hides inside. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Ooh, gosh, look at those. Oh my. These are pretty special actually. Can you see that? That bottom is pink, but they have like... Wow, that's really nice. What are we gonna do with these? That's really pretty. These, I don't have anything like this in my collection. Look at that. So I'm kind of shocked. There is, yeah, the one we got yesterday I had, but it's like 7 out of 8 I don't have. That's bomb. That's so cool. I love it. Look at that shift. So awesome. Oh wow. Okay, so we are gonna do something with this too. So I'll get ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so I thought why not just bling out this little flower nail we did yesterday with the hexagon mix. And I forgot to tell you that these are the 3mm pink stones. So you see there. So these are 3mm pink. So I will just apply some Diva in a bottle, of course, a top coat. I put it in my flexi finger so we could, yeah, act like it is actual nail. So I just thought it might be really cute. We could of course do something new, but just thought it could be cute to apply them on this kind of pink nail too. So yeah, bling it up a bit, you know. So let's do that and see how that turns out. I think that's going to be really cute. Just hope they will be, you'll see them. Okay, it's sticking to the tray. There we have one in each so-called flower. I don't know. Yeah, I thought that was cute. Should have one further down, but the space wasn't there. Okay, so I'm just gonna cure this. Okay, so here is day number 8. See the stones? I think they're really cute. Really cute stones. They're pretty. They are really pretty. Such a shift in them. Pretty shift in them. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice short video, but the main thing is that we see it, right? So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.